to open up AutoCAD to do that. So I've got AutoCAD open. This is how it's going to look in just a minute. I'm not going to, we're just going to close this file. And I'm going to open up my laser cutter template here. And there it is. It's got all the instructions on how to use a laser cutter template. It's so easy. I've got my properties menu available over here. If you don't have the properties available, you can come to the view and look in the palettes and see properties, and I've got properties. So what I have to do is insert this PDF file. So I go here, find the file, 04, that's the one, insert it. I'm going to click here and say use the current layer. That looks fine. So I'll tell it okay, and there it is. And it's green. That's the current layer. It is just the right size to fit on our block here, our cutting sheet, and I place it, and there it is. Okay, of course, it's not quite right because I've got to put it on the right layers. Typing select and W for window. And I'll click here and drag down here. I'll select them and I press the space bar. And then I can come over here and pick by layer. And yes, indeed, they're now on the cut layer and they turn bright red. Now, these down here are not the way I want them to be. They should not be cut. They should be etched. So I'm going to select them by clicking on them. I have two things selected now. That's good. And I go over here and I pick etch. And now they're blue, the way the etched layer is supposed to be, and they're right where they should be, and they've got the right numbers. So it all looks good. And then I'm just going to save it. So I'm going to save as because I don't want to save it over my laser cutter template drawing. I need a new name for the drawing, and I'll call it floors copy. Let's just call it floors copy. Replace it. All right, that's how you set it up for the laser. You then take it to the shop personnel and they will help you get going the rest of the way.